Are you eating healthy and exercising, but the number on the scale just won't budge? Do you lose a few pounds only to have them come right back? You're not alone, and it's probably not your fault. There are hidden saboteurs halting your progress. In the next few minutes, we'll reveal the top 5 mistakes and their fixes. Mistake number 1 is going into extreme starvation mode. You slash calories, it works for a week, then you feel tired and your weight loss stalls. Your body panics and slows your metabolism to conserve fuel. The fix? Focus on nutrient density. Fill your plate with protein, fiber, and healthy fats to stay satisfied. The second mistake is thinking hours on the treadmill is the only key to burning fat. Cardio's effect stops when you do. The real secret is resistance training. Muscle burns calories 24/7, even while sleeping. Make it non-negotiable too, 3 times weekly. That fancy coffee, healthy juice, or salad dressing can easily add hundreds of sugar calories to your day. Make water your primary drink. Get sauces on the side. These small swaps accelerate weight loss with 0 extra effort. You have one bad meal and think, I've ruined my diet, I'll start Monday. This mindset derails so many people. Adopt the 80-20th rule. Make healthy choices 80% of the time. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Mistake 5 is ignoring hormones that control hunger. Lack of sleep and stress make you crave junk food and store fat. Make sleep a priority. Aim for 7-9 hours. Find simple stress management like a 10-minute walk. And if this is helping, hit that subscribe button for more tips like these. Let's recap. Stop drastic calorie cutting. Balance cardio with strength training. Watch hidden calories. Ditch all or nothing thinking. And prioritize sleep. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me know in the comments. Which mistake have you been making? Sharing it is the first step to fixing it. Thanks for watching. May God bless you and your weight loss journey.